आपसे दरखास्त करता हूं कि वो आए और सामीन के सामने अपनी तकरीर पेश करें।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Aman Kamar, student of class 9, Sheikh Masood Inter College. I'm here to express my thought on women empowerment. Someone rightly said, when you educate a man, you educate an individual. But when you educate a woman, you educate an entire family. This declaration is multifaceted. An educated woman has self-confidence, skills, as well as intelligence to understand the need to be a better daughter, sister, wife, and mother, and make a progressive family. Education is the only tool with which a girl or woman can empower herself and eventually her family. The education of a girl child is very important to make them independent, bold, and confident. Women are just not meant to do household work and look after their family. If a girl is educated equally as a boy, then she can also be the breadwinner of the family. Why this question is still come to the mind that whether the education of a girl child is necessary or not. Nina Simone once said, I'll tell you what freedom is to me. No fear. When you live fearlessly, you are limitless. Think about it. Doesn't freedom in itself lead to the empowerment of women and society as a whole? Empowerment refers to the process of improving and increasing the social, economical, political, and legal aspect of women. One of its main goals is to achieve gender equality and give power to all women and girls. Because the truth is empowering women means empowering the nation, empowering the world. Malala Yousafzai once said, I raise up my voice, not so that I can shout, but so that those without a voice can be heard. We cannot succeed when half of us are held back. Let's take an example of Kalpana Chawla. She was a true example of bravery as she was the first Indian woman to go to the space. Let's talk about Indira Gandhi. She is the only female prime minister in the pages of history of India. She was indeed a powerful, enthusiastic, and empowering woman. Lastly, I just want to conclude by saying daughters don't want much from the society. All they want is education. Let every girl of this nation be educated so that this country comes a better shape in the world. Thank you.